Well, let's go to Spain, because the country has now recorded more coronavirus deaths than China. 738 people with the virus have died in the past day alone, taking the total to over 3,000. More than 2,500 are in a serious or critical state. Our correspondent Damien Grammaticus reports from Madrid.
On a dark day for Spain, a sobering sight. Van after van carrying bodies of virus victims. This is Madrid's biggest ice rink. It's been requisitioned to hold the dead. They need it. There are so many now. Arriving at Spanish hospitals are more and more cases. Infections here leaping every day. And more than 5,000 medical staff have fallen sick too. So part of Spain's urgent efforts are these new rapid testing centres, specifically for those in the front line. Toñi Osuna, a nurse, fears she has the virus. A colleague has it. The swabs are invasive, unpleasant, handled with extreme care in case they've picked up the pathogen. Tony's worry she has a family she might have infected too.
I'm very worried, especially for my family and my patients. At home I stay in one room, isolated, treating myself for my symptoms alone.
So the whole of Spain has now mobilised to fight the virus. A tanker load of chemicals arrives at an army base on the edge of Madrid. Inside, they're now making hand sanitizer, gallons and gallons of it, to supply hospitals, so great is the demand.
What we are doing is very important. We do what we can to try to solve the crisis.
So in this battle, it's not bullets this military production line is making, but medicines to replenish stocks that are being used up fast.
And this is it, coming off the production line. Packs of paracetamol. Spain's military have put down their guns, and their weapon of choice in this fight now, packs of pills.
And across Spain, people everywhere are getting involved too. Designing and producing the goggles doctors are so short of. Those stuck at home sewing face masks for the elderly. Here, a nurse posts a thank you for the vital protective visor handmade by people living near to her hospital. And that thanks is returned. Every night in every city, town and village across Spain. Acknowledgement of the bravery and sacrifice the medics are making, the sound of a grateful nation. Damien Grammaticus, BBC News, Madrid.